Okay. First shape is, what shape is that? Square. Color blue. Very good. Next is hexagon. Very good. Next is, what shape is that? Rectangle. Find the rectangle. Next is heart. Very good. Next is triangle. Yes. Next is sector. Very good. Next is star. Very good. Next is trapezoid. Trapezoid. Last is, what shape is that? Circle. Very good. Yay! Let's learn the color. What color is this? Color? Ate, you teach him. Blue. Very good. Oh, saan candy yung blue dyan? You dikit this. Dikit mo to. Yes. Gandahan mo naman dikit like this. Oh. Very good. Next color. What color? Next is color. What color is this? What color is that? Say purple. Ayan, very good. Yan yung purple. Next color is orange. O, saan dyan yung orange? Dikit mo. Dikit mo. Very good. How about this? What color is this? Color? Red. Saan yung red? Ayan. Very good. Next color is? Color? Ano color yan? Color? Ate, teach him.
Red.
Oy.
Yellow.
Oh. What color is this muna? Color?
Yellow.
Say the color muna. Yellow.
Yellow.
Say yellow. Snail. Next, what animal is this? Say cat. Very good. Next, bear. Next is horse. Say hippo. What animal is this? Giraffe. Next is turtle. Next is duck. Next is dog. And the last is caterpillar. Very good. Sapa. Oh, next naman, fruits. Ito, apple. Next is the honey melon. Next is the persimmon. No, ito, apricot pala, apricot. Next is the lemon. Ito, lemon. Yun. Next is the cherry. Ito yung cherry, oh. Cherry dyan, yan. Kasi na. Next is the pineapple. Pineapple. Next is the watermelon. Next is the pear. Here, oh. No, dito na. Ayan yung pear, oh. Next is the ficus carica. Next is the persimmon. Ito yung persimmon. Last is the strawberry.